In the journey of education, textbooks and grades hold immense importance to become successful in life. But what nobody talks about is that it is equally important to evolve as a good human being. This is where personality development comes into the picture, a process about enhancing our strengths, refining our communication, and fostering traits like confidence, adaptability, and emotional intelligence. Not just the classroom, these traits are very crucial in every aspect of our lives. A strong personality gives us the courage to speak up, the empathy to understand others, the resilience to face the challenges head on, and make a lasting impression. So dive deep into this expedition of person to personality with me, Saurabh Sharda, and uncover the best version of yourself.